This video, I want to explain to you the two humps of the sensitivity and specificity. It's going to come on your test, it's high yield. There's two humps, okay? There's a healthy hump, and then there's a disease people. You have 100% accuracy here in the middle. You have sensitivity 100% at this point, and specificity is 100% at this point. These totem poles or set points don't change. The only thing you could change is the accuracy, or the middle one. You can go towards sensitivity or away, or towards specificity, or away from sensitivity or away from specificity. Okay. The way I remember it is you draw the graph, right? Or it's going to be on the test. And then you have sensitivity, right? That's all the people that you catch with the disease. So sensitivity, the formula is true positive over true positive plus false negative. So just put those there. And then the rest of them is true negative and false positive, which is specificity, which is all the healthy people. Okay. So what you do is the main thing in this, as long as you know where the values are, that's the important thing, number one. Number two, you want to find out what happens with them if you cut off to the left, or if you set your cutoff to the right. What that means is you have a middle, think of it like a sliding scale. You have a middle point, set point, which is accuracy. That point in the middle is 100% accurate. If you go to the left, what will happen to all the values? Let's see. If you go to the left, the cutoff point here, you make the cutoff point here, right? You're going closer to sensitivity, so sensitivity will increase. If you increase sensitivity, what's going to happen to the true positive? Obviously, you're going to increase the true positives. And if you increase the true positive and the sensitivity increases, what would happen to the false negative? You see, looking at the sliding scale, you're going to squish it up, right? So it's going to decrease. So you're going to false negative, it's going to decrease. What would happen to the false positive? It will increase, because if you catch a lot of truly positive diseased people, you are bound to catch some false positives. And you can see with the graph that the false positive values increased by cutting off to the left. Now, if you cut off to the right, what would happen? If you go this way, if you go that way, you're going towards specificity. So specificity will increase. What's going to happen to true negative? Like I said with the other formula, specificity equals true negative over true negative plus false positive, right? So true negative will increase, false positive will decrease, false negative will increase, right? Just think of it as the opposite of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you know that, you're going to get all the questions right.